I do not know of any credit repair companies in Canada, but I did create some dispute letters that you guys can use to start working to remove your accounts from your credit reports is in Canada. So you guys can see a free copy of a dispute letter that you guys can use to start working to remove them accounts from your credit reports when you guys are in Canada. Because I don't know how, if there's any credit repair companies that's out there. A lot of people ask me, how do I remove this? How do I remove that? And honestly, I just did not know, but I did a lot of research and I found out how to do it. So definitely go ahead and use the free letter down below so that you can start working to remove them accounts from your credit reports. Now, thank you to everybody that actually made it to the end of me answering questions about credit repair, building your credit in Canada, how to get your credit reports, credit cards. Thank you so much for making it to the end. If you guys have any additional questions, please let me know. And also check out the 5 ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. This is very, very helpful for people in America. Our credit system is just the same almost. Only difference is you guys don't have Experian, and then the credit score that you can have is different. But if you guys check this out, you guys can find out how to increase your credit score also. And don't forget too, I have a list of credit cards. You guys can check it out. I have that down in the comments. I have a free dispute letter. And after you get that free dispute letter, I have a way that you can get even more dispute letters, even more letters to remove those accounts from credit reports. So definitely check that out. And again, if you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.